Welcome to Benidorm's Levante Beach. Do you think breakfast options are cheap or has gotten way more expensive in our city? Let's have a walk around the Levante Beach. Let's discover prices for English breakfast and some coffee options. Welcome to Benidorm's Levante Beach. Let's discover prices for breakfast and what is going on here right now on Thursday, the 5th of February. We start today's video right at the end of the Levante Beach. There's a yellow flag right now, but the red one is right here nearby, so maybe they'll be changing it probably quite soon. Yeah, they're putting up the red one. There's gonna be a red flag here today. There's quite some waves. A lot of people are just stopping by to gasp and watch what's happening. Quite some strong waves, wind. Slightly unpleasant here on the outside. Inside of the city it's normal, there's not as much of a wind, but here it is quite windy and a little bit of unpleasant to enjoy. But let's see what's available for our breakfast options. First of all, we have two cafeterias here on the front line of the beach. One is Cafe Nab and one is the Rico Bar. We've been to both of these. And Cafe Nab, they have a typical English breakfast, like a big one, for €7.90, and a typical Spanish breakfast, coffee, freshly pressed orange juice, and a toast for €5.50. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Quite sure it's quite a lot. More or less same things are available here at the Cafe Rico. They have a typical Spanish breakfast, different types of toast. Coffee here ranges from €1.50 up to €2, €2.20, depending on which type of coffee it is. If it has some brandy in it or something mixed up, then it's going to be even more expensive than that. These types of places are not the cheapest ones. Obviously, whenever you're heading towards the Levante Beach, what you have to know is that a lot of the places will be tourist oriented. It doesn't mean that locals don't go here. A lot of them do not, honestly, but others just go to other places that are slightly cheaper. That's the thing. Us locals, we know the prices for things, so people are not going to be paying €2.50 or €3 for a coffee. People like their €1.20, €1.50 worth coffee. Typical Spanish place might not be anything fancy, but it's still going to be very good, and it's going to be a pleasant atmosphere and a nice typical place that people are used to go to. Nearby, we have some more places that are slowly but surely opening up. It's still early morning, it's 10:30. Thus, not all of these places are open, but it's good for us to see because those that are offering breakfast obviously are available and are open already. The Tiki usually does offer breakfast, at least that's what we've seen. They have combos here, mozzarella sticks, onion rings, fries, sandwich, tuna club, roast beef, coffee. Look at this. Coffee with brandy, Baileys, or Tia Maria. It's $3.30. English breakfast is also available. We're going to put you the prices here on the screen. We're going to try and find this out. But at least here, full English breakfast plus orange juice, $7.90. That's not a bad price, isn't it? Offers, well, this is already drinks for those of you who are interested, but English full breakfast plus orange juice, $7.90. That's the price here at the Tiki Town by the end of the Levante Beach. Many places here not only offer breakfast, but also main meals. This is something typical in order to stay open the whole entire day. Restaurants and many more. Even bars started to open up right now, slowly but surely. And first, people are already getting some nice coffee. They also have some full English breakfast. Look at this. Full English breakfast, all English products, 2 toasts, 2 bacons, everything double, $6.95. So that's cheaper than the Tiki Town, and that's cheaper than the Nab cafeteria. Well, that's not bad at all. It's actually a good price. If it's all double, that's great. This is the Guinness Bar. Quite a nice place, by the way, too. Very beloved by a lot of international visitors. Cool cafe and lounge mostly with so loud music. They do offer breakfast options here. We're gonna try my best to find some information online about the pricing, but they do have coffee, which more or less ranges from that 170 to €2.50 to 70, depending if it's a coffee with milk, if it's a long one, if it's a cappuccino, whatever it is. Prices will be slightly different. The more elaborated, the more expensive the coffee will be. Let's cross and enjoy a little bit of the Levante beach before we head to some other options. Oh, look at this, that's expensive. Oh my goodness, the Moon Beach, look at this. Coffee with brandy, Baileys, or whiskey, that's the same thing that we've seen. And €5 or €6. 5 or 6. The other one was €3.90 if I'm not wrong. This one is €5 or €6. That's why I say same place, Levante Beach, might have so different prices that at the end you'll end up paying almost double for the same type of meals or drinks or snacks or whatever you're getting, like the breakfast, etc. So that is why it's important to compare. It's important to see, since, well, you never know, right? It's not worth paying double for the same type of foods. There's a brave person out there sitting by the beach with extreme wind that there is, with an umbrella. Palm tree that's falling down already by half. It's still here, by the way. Look at this. I think it's gonna fall down soon, or it's just like that. I think with the wind it just went the other way, but it's right on the terrace of the Five Guys. It's right out there, so it's quite probable it's just gonna break, snap with some wind very soon, sooner than what we actually think. Nearby we have some more places. The White Lion, I think it's called. Let's see what they have here. Here they don't put the price for the things, but maybe we can see it online. Combos, happy hours, offers. Look at this. Hamburger, plain or cheese, chips and drink included, $7.45. That's not bad. Ooh, I like this one. Look at how nicely it's painted. Look at that. English breakfast and a drink. Lately it's very popular. That's like a new thing that we've seen. It's not only English breakfast, but it's with a drink already too. So it's 1 egg, 1 bacon, tomato, bean, sausage, and toast, plus a drink. I love how they painted it. It's so delicious looking. That's great. And then they have obviously a lot of veggie breakfast, toast with jam, beans on toast, scrambled eggs, White Lion special breakfast, and many more things available here. But that's gorgeous looking, honestly. I would get a breakfast like this. I would definitely get a breakfast like that. Let's see what else is available out here. The Heartbreak just opened up. Mostly it's drinks. Mostly it's like a drink place. So here it's not as vivid. The music's running, but not much more than that. Let's see what else do we have out here. We have Pinocchio and Pizzeria. This is like lounge bar cafe, all in one. It's quite cheap, honestly. Here you can find a coffee for like €1.20. You can get a toast and a coffee and a freshly pressed orange juice for about not as much as you would think. Let's see. These are salads. Well, this is more the restaurant part already. This is not like breakfast options. But there's also breakfast. Oh, the waves are getting stronger. Wow. Let's continue to Jolly Roger and some more places. So let's see if they have some breakfast options here. They're just opened up. Remember, they were cash only. Not sure if it's the case now or not, because before it was. Let's see what they have here and if they have any, because I only see drinks. I only see drinks here, no snacks now. I wonder if that's the case. Let us know if they have any kind of food, because there is nothing stated out here. But they do have some nice entertainment. Look at this, from 8 in the evening up until midnight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shows in one single day. That's not bad at all. Let's continue in search for some other interesting breakfast options. This is something new that I've seen, and we've not seen it for a while. By the way, here at the Daytona Beach, there's also some breakfast options. I'm gonna try our best to find the menu online and show it to you guys if it is available. But they also have some nice coffee options, at least, that's for sure. At least coffee, yes. Let's continue our walk. Oh my god, there's so many people out here. That's bizarre. There's a whole lot of people now. The sun's coming out a little bit, so that's a normal reaction of all those people who seen that the sun's coming, it's not raining, so yeah, why not to go outside and enjoy. Let's continue to another place that we really like. We have to come and try it. Each time I want to film it, we always go to a different place. But this is the Cactus Terrace. I think now it's open, isn't it? Yeah, it's open now. Okay, so this is a giant cactus, and this is the terrace. They have a menu here. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. Yes, love it when they have a menu right here. See, breakfast options. Terrace Cactus. One is called coffee, tea, or chocolate milkshake, toast, and orange juice, $5.50. That's the same as Nab cafeteria, more or less. English breakfast, $5.60. Superior breakfast, toast, ham and cheese, and then you have other options like salads, combined meal, sandwiches. Look at that. That's also available for breakfast. Ooh, salmon sandwich. That's good. Different types of pizzas. What else do they have? Cocktails. Coffee. I know people love coffee. Coffee prices, solo coffee, €2. So it's between 2 and Irish coffee, $5.40. So like normal coffee is between 2 and $2.80. Tea, $2.50. Soft drinks, beers, wine, without alcohol, cocktails, drinks. That's not bad at all. And it's actually a very lovely place. We'll have to come here and show it to you guys. We're always willing to do that, but at the end we always forget and we choose another place to come for breakfast. So this might be the one that we have to try soon for you to see. Privileged views of the Levante beach and not bad pricing. Curious to see if it's actually worth the money, how much the things cost out here. Right nearby we have another place that's typical Spanish. It's called the Mediterranean Garden. It's closed now for holidays, but it will be opening up shortly on the 12th of February. So here they also have some breakfasts apart from main meals. These are the breakfasts from 9 till 2, so it's like a typical half of typical Spanish breakfast. Coffee, tea, or colacao, which is cocoa, or a freshly pressed juice, $3.60. This is offer if you get like a breakfast, if you get like a toast or something. Croissant toast with bread with salmon, avocado, and fresh cheese. Just with salmon, sandwich, typical English breakfast. All the prices are here. Then you have bocadillos or hamburgers. This is all. This is also considered breakfast, like bocadillos. These are the prices out here. Honestly, this could be slightly more expensive than we thought. For some reason, when we always go for a typical Spanish breakfast for like €4, you're able to get a toast, a freshly pressed orange juice, and a coffee. But now it's kind of getting more than €5 already in a lot of places here on the Levante beach. What is going on? It's definitely more expensive now for some reason. Well, obviously inflation, that's true, and the increase of all the costs and everything that, well, people have to pay, and for the businesses. So it is true that it's getting more expensive. It is how it is. But this is slightly too much, isn't it? Let us know, what do you think? We're slightly surprised with the pricing. We've seen like when did coffee pass from €2, okay, to like €6 with Baileys? It was like €3 previously, 3 something, but now it's like 6 in some places. When did that happen? Apart from that, all the rest, a lot of other breakfasts, €7, €8, €9. very soon the breakfast will cost like 10 euros, like a plate, like a menu before. I'm slightly surprised with it. Let us know if you're surprised with prices too, or if it's normal, if you're used to it, if it's just us. We are doing Sunday breakfast every now and then, but for some reason here on the Levante beach, I thought there would be more places that are slightly affordable, but I guess that's what it is. Frontline views, the sea, privileged location, you know, touristic area. That's what it gives you, slightly more expensive prices, not only for breakfast, but for the rest of the meals too. Let us know if it's cheap, if it's expensive. How do you see the prices right now for breakfast options in Benidorm town? We'll read you here on the comments down below, and we'll see you in a brand new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.